Hey everybody, so we've got a couple projects today. We're going to clean the gutters over at Bill and Pat's, and then we're going to cut down the little poplar tree over there. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, so today's project is to go over and clean the leaves out of the gutters and off the roof of Bill and Pat's house. So we're going to take the Husqvarna leaf blower over and get this done. Hey everybody, so this is Bill and Pat's house, and they've got a raised rib metal roof on their house, and it's a low enough angle that it would be an easy roof to walk around on, except for those vertical ribs. With those, you can't step on one of those raised ribs or you'll crush it. So the other issue they've got is they have leaf guards in their gutters, so the gutters won't ever clog up. But normally what you would do is from the ground with an attachment, go along and clean those leaves that sit on those gutter guards off. The problem they have is they put snow stops on this roof to keep the snow from building up and then sliding off of their roof. And the problem with that is we don't get that much snow, but we get a whole bunch of leaves. And every leaf, twig, stick, you name it, that falls in the course of the year ends up stopped on that snow stop, and they're a real pain to clean out. So anyway, my advice, if you have to have snow stops, put them over your doors and entryways. But like here, honestly, there's no place that they walk out underneath that roof where the snow would slide off. So honestly, they might do a good job of keeping the snow from sliding off, but they do a horrible job of blocking and holding these leaves. Your miles may vary. Have a good one, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
Go across the road.
Okay.
I got a couple games coming on it today, a couple tomorrow, and I didn't. Well, if I don't get any more leafing done, I will do it across the road. If I don't get any more done, I still have it. It's still done.
Yeah.
Well, by now,
All righty. I think we must have not done this last year.
I don't think so.
Because there was a lot of stuff growing up there.
I do not think so. That was a pretty green fence.
Okay, so we were over here the other day and cleaned the leaves off the gutters. And today, we're gonna cut down that tree. So how do you want this cut down, Bill?
To the ground.
Just to the ground. Get out of the sun.
Go over there and tell him exactly what you want.
Oh,
Thank you.
all right. I'd like this. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'd like this tree to be pulled down in over here. And you can see I got a building on the left, a tank on the right, and I'd like to drop the tree without hurting anything but the tree.
Right. Okay. No people, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, in that case, I guess I'm going to cut a few of these limbs off of here.
All righty.
And then once I get the limbs cut off, we'll have you just tension it. I don't want you to really pull it.
Yeah.
Right. Just tension it so that it can't go into the building or backwards. And then when I get it most of the way cut, I'll tell you when to pull and just go ahead and back up with your tractor and should get it out of here.
All righty.
I might move that rope a little higher.
Oh, I don't care. I
Okay.
just put it right there.
Yeah.
You might want to tie, better not to. I figured I was.
That's really not a knot. No, well.
Not actually tied on there.
Okay. It was just a thought, huh?
And since
Okay.
we do have two knot experts here, we really should have a good knot.
Non-knots over here?
No knots. Slip knot is going to cause it to spin, but that don't mean nothing.
You guys get that. We're going to need a bigger rope.
No, we're not. I really need something to get these rocks out from my face.
What we got there? Square knot?
I don't got any kind
We got a lot.
I just got a knot
Perfect.
that don't go anywhere.
Hey, that'll, heck, you're almost pulling it over anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
It ain't much of a tree. I got is two hashes.
Isn't it
back
in a
to
mulberry
back.
or not?
Oh no, I think. it's a
Oh, is that a
poplar,
poplar
isn't
tree?
it?
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a poplar.
So we've got a
I
poplar
don't
right in
think
the way.
it's a poplar either, but
Oh, okay.
You ready, Pops? Dad,
what?
you better back it up.
Oh.
No, it was only about, what, 20 feet, probably only 25 feet tall at most. Little poplar tree, but it's down.
There you go.
Little poplar tree, but it's down.
Not much to it, right, dudes?
Not too much, no. But it's still kind of exciting.
Absolutely.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, everybody, so a new addition to the channel, we now have a drone. So this is the first video we've used it on, and this is actually the second flight ever for me flying a drone. The first one was that flag shot that we did at the beginning of the video. So hope you like it. You can kind of see the roof that has the leaves after we got it removed, and it rained on it a few times and blew it a few times with just wind and stuff, and it looks better now than it did right after I cleaned it, actually. So anyway, your minds may vary. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We love your comments. Have a good one, everybody.